nights where the lights were low, dreams in our hearts but the road was cold. Step by step we earned our name, built this fire, felt that flame. Same vision, different skies, same hunger in our eyes. When the world said wait your turn, we stayed ready, we never burned. Hear the sound, it's getting louder, feel the ground, we're standing prouder. This moment, this time we rise together, all aligned. XAB Club, we rise tonight, hands up high under neon lights. From the grind to the global stage, this is more than a moment, this is our age. Team Panthers, black and gold, hearts on fire, fearless souls, run together, feel that thunder. One team, one voice, none stronger. Touchdown dreams in a foreign land, different streets, same brotherhood stand. Bangkok nights, the city alive, every step saying we survive. Not just a tour, it's a sign. Hard work finally crossed that line. We didn't chase fame or shine, we chased growth and found our time. Every scar, every fall, led us right here, all or nothing all. When we sing, when we move, the whole world feels the truth. XAB Club, worldwide, different cities, same inside. From the struggle to the skyline, this is power multiplied. Team Panthers, hear the roar, stronger now than never before. Side by side, no fear, no doubt. When we run, the lights go out. This is not luck, this is not chance, this is every step we took when no one cared. Look around, remember this feeling.